If you just got the Oraimo Vision Pad 4K monitor and you are wondering how you can set it up to get the best out of it, this video is for you. I will show you how you can couple everything together and connect it to your laptop and do some little settings if you are using a MacBook Pro like me. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing to do is to connect your power brick or your power adapter to your power cord. As you can see, this guy comes with a port here that you are going to plug this guy to. So you align it properly and into it. That's it. Now this place of the adapter goes into the back of the monitor, while this place, this guy here, goes into your socket or your wall outlet. Now, the next thing to do is to now grab your stand, which I have my here. So these two stand, this is the stand arm, and this is the base stand. So when you look closely at this guy, you are going to see that it comes with this part here. Back here, you can see something like a screw that you can hold and turn this way. When you turn this, it's going to make this other guy to screw in. So you're going to align it with the stand arm, which you can see here. So you can see there's a hole here. So align it properly to this guy here like this. Make sure it is sitting properly. There's no gap in between. Make sure it is closed. Then you can now start scrolling in this guy under here. So once it tightens up like this and it's not moving, then flatten it like this, and that is that. The next thing to do is to now put this guy at the back of the monitor itself. So let me bring my monitor up here. Here will be facing here. So it goes this way and it snaps into place, and that is it. If you want to remove it, press it up and unplug. It's as easy as that. Now, before I put it inside, some of you want to know the ports behind the TV. So here are the ports. It comes with HDMI 2, HDMI 1. It comes also with DP port, that display port, Type-C, DC, and USB-C. So if you want to run your connection, you can use HDMI, you can use DisplayPort, you can use Type-C port. And this is where you connect the port for the power. Okay, so that is that. You can raise your monitor like this, and your monitor is up and running. So as you can see, if you want to bring it down, just press it down by the side like this, and it is down. If you want to raise it up gently like this. Please don't press the screen side. You have to hold it by the side like this. If you want to bring it up, you go this way. Okay? If you want to turn it, you can also turn it like this. And if you want to go sideways, it can go sideways like this. Okay? So I prefer it to be landscape, not portrait, and I want it to be down also, so I push it down. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to do is to now connect your power cable. We are going to connect the adapter to heat here, which you can see, it has the port here. So put it and you plug this to your wall socket. So I'll be using the Type-C cable in this case. As you can see, I have mine here. So I'm going to be connecting it to where it says Type-C and plug our Type-C. Actually, you can use other means. You can use the HDMI, you can use the display port, but I'm using the Type-C port in my case. Once you have done that, you are good to go. Now you can position your monitor properly. Okay, and connect your Type-C port to your MacBook. You can use one of your Type-C ports of your MacBook. But before we connect it, let me turn it on. And let's see. As you can see, showing Oraimo, it's up. You can see it says no signal. So that means it is ready to work. Now, if I plug my Type-C port here, I've plugged it. Okay, you can see it is up and running. So it is showing what is on my MacBook right now. Once you get to the display, now you can see use as main display. Now, if you want to use your MacBook as main display, while this guy becomes the extended, yes, you can do that. As you can see, my mouse just crossed to this side from this side. It is now here and it is now here. So depending on what you want to do, you know how you are going to use it. So there are three ways of using it. You can either use main display, you can use extended, or you use mirror. In my case, I prefer mirror. I want to see what is on this guy here. If you want to use it in the clamshell mode, you can also do that. It's going to work fine. So for me, I don't want the main display, so I'm going to be changing this main display to mirror. And once I switch to mirror, it is going to show everything on the laptop on the monitor, which you can see here. So that is how to set up your Oraimo Vision Pad 4K monitor. If you have any issue or you want to know more details about the Oraimo Vision Pad 4K monitor before I drop my full review, please drop it down there in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. As you can see, the colors are vibrant. Beautiful colors. And that is it for me to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to use the discount code bracket when you are ordering anything from Oraimo website and Oraimo store app. Bye for now. Peace.